Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easier repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. This video will provide installation instructions for both tilt and non-tilt applications. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the negative battery cable prior to installation. If your vehicle does not have a tilt column, remove the steering wheel pad and steering wheel. For vehicles with a tilt column, the steering wheel does not need to be removed. Turn the lock cylinder to the on position. Use a small drift punch or similar tool to depress the lock retaining pin. For non-tilt models, the pin is located inside the column near the base of the lock cylinder. On tilting columns, the pin can be found by the hazard switch button on the outside of the column. With the retaining pin depressed, pull the lock cylinder from the column. To install the new cylinder, turn it to the on position, insert it fully into the housing, and turn it to the off position, ensuring correct mechanical operation.